Drop it.
Yeah, 7 Series.
You know I had to get down on one of these, right? You know I had
Who
to.
that?
It's Rafi.
Alright.
Big shame for those that don't know.
Macho in the building.
From Boston to LA. Scandalous.
We coming to you live from the rat hole.
Yeah.
Hey yo, Rafi, set this off, man.
Come and connect, that's what you'd expect. So live and direct from Los Angeles internet. World Wide Web, tunnel rantulas. Kept mashing, advancing from a shack to a mansion. No, not really, silly me, man, there I go. Strike like a pimp pose, man, I'm so cold. Suppose I crush foes with flows, and it shows I'm a SC, right brain lefty.
Don't stress me, see I got a lot on my mind. I'm recently self-employed, I got ample time to get open. Hoping these words I wrote have the potency for the hopeless. See, on one hand, got the ladies loving to dance. On the other, my brother trapped with a gat in his hand. I got walls to walk through, which one do I talk to? Trying to give my people something hot to rock to.
So as soon as you hear the beat knocking, we gon' hit the stage and get it poppin'. So don't get in the way and try to block them. You can't stop them, no talking, you better start rocking. As soon as you hear the beat knocking, cause we gon' hit the stage and get it poppin'. Don't ever get in the way and try to stop them. You can't block them, no talking, you better start rocking. Now's the time for change, so we going against the grain. But fame is not the aim. Still we rip to hit the picture, get you out the
It's a matter of time before you feel me. Just take my music, my rhymes, they all reveal me. And every year I'm getting better, this legacy live forever. For this beta 58, you have to kill me.
But still we maneuver skillfully through the rhythm. From the big cities to them hillbillies, know that we gonna give them everything that we got. No matter who's up in the spot, we making it hot for the homies on the block.
I'm true to the core, bring truth to the poor, and I'm on fire. Don't step to me lukewarm, I won't retire till I'm dead and gone. Me and Shame in the game, some say it's the bomb.
So as soon as you hear the beat knocking, we gon' hit the stage and get it poppin'. So don't get in the way and try to block them. You can't stop them, no talking, you better start rocking. As soon as you hear the beat knocking, cause we gon' hit the stage and get it poppin'. Don't ever get in the way and try to stop them. You can't block them, no talking, you better start rocking. I'm quick to throw down, so they want me to slow down, but I don't really know how, given I'm living in the everlasting now. Surround sound blasting out the system. Listen, we shake them, twisting our missions, build them up for the sake of the kingdom. Cup overflowing, so now we flowing over the cut. The strut so confident, competent, stomping it, limitless, who's giving it for the omnipotence, so now we living it.
It's part of my job description as an MC to be the perfect depiction of skill and diction with the realness mixed in. I'm a fraction of the friction caused by the laws of rocking it. Cali quick to Roxbury, no stopping us. Yeah, it's you and I, we do or die until we hit super fly. And through the night we keeping this crowd alive.
As soon as you hear the beat knocking, we gon' hit the stage and get it poppin'. So don't get in the way and try to block them. You can't stop them, no talking, you better start rocking. As soon as you hear the beat knocking, cause we gon' hit the stage and get it poppin'. Don't ever get in the way and try to stop them. You can't block them, no talking, you better start rocking. As soon as you hear the beat knocking, we gon' hit the stage and get it poppin'. So don't get in the way and try to block them. You can't stop them, no talking, you better start rocking. As soon as you hear the beat knocking, cause we gon' hit the stage and get it poppin'. Don't ever get in the way and try to stop them. You can't block them, no talking, you better start rocking.
High noon, prop don't I assume it's a game, plain and simple. The most intricate, independent, ended mic sessions. Sending these questions, backbone, carry that county until it falls to the call. It's on y'all, I know. Catch the flow like every time I grab the mic, rip the mic like street lights. Don't deny the right decipher, rock it like that.
Now let me introduce you to Elsie, lovely, thick and looking quite healthy. MC sick, so try not to vex me. Words, mouth drips, my wisdom's what's sexy. Rich on love, not working on wealthy. My soul's worth more, so money can't tempt me. Test me, my mind is not empty. Hard-nosed peace, I'm not one to envy. Live by grace, I ask God to cleanse me. Mics I rip, believe me, there's plenty. Check me,
1, 2,
check me,
3, 4.
Y'all have no idea what you're in for. Pretty young thing, but still I keep it raw. What's more hardcore, on wax and on tour. Leave them screaming and scheming, trying to get more. On the tunnelrap.net for what you're looking for.
Yeah. Yeah.